guys, so today we're going to do a little bit of multiplication practice, same as we've been doing last week. And today we're going to add just a little SAR to go along with our little problem that we have today. So our scenario is that Charlie works 45 hours last week, and he earned $12 per hour. So per hour means that every single hour he worked, he made $12. So every single one of these 45 hours, each one of those 45 hours equaled $12. So now the question says, if Charlie spends $134 on a brand new bike, how much money will he have left? So we really don't have any other information of how much money he started off with. So the only thing we can go by is what is in the scenario up at the top. So in order for me to find out how much money he started out with, I'm going to take the number of hours that he worked and I'm going to multiply it times the number of dollars he earns per hour. So that's going to be a very typical multiplication problem. And I'm going to use the standard algorithm to solve it because it really and truly is the most efficient way. So 2 times 5 is 10, and I'm going to regroup the 1. 2 times 4 is 8, plus 1 would be 9. So since I'm moving over to the tens place, I'm going to get rid of these two numbers because I've already used them. And I've got to remember to put my placeholder 0. 1 times 5 is 5. 1 times 4 is 4. Now I'm ready to add. So 0 plus 0 is 0. 9 plus 5 is 14. And 4 plus 1 is 5. So it looks like Charlie started out with a total of $540. So the question states, how much money will he have left after he purchases the bike? So I've got to take the purchase of the bike and I have to subtract it from the total salary he earned. So this was his salary. Salary is another word for money earned. Just in case you were wondering what salary means. Not like a salad or celery. It's salary. Okay, so now we've got a multiplication problem on our hands. Excuse me. We have a two-step problem on our hands. So we did our multiplying over here, and then we have our subtraction problem going on over here. Okay, so we see here that we've got a little bit of regrouping to do in this case. So I can see that I have 0 ones on top, but I'm trying to take away 5 ones. So unfortunately, I'm going to have to go over and do a little bit of regrouping from the tens place. So now I have put a 10 where the 0 is. So 10 minus 5 leaves me with 5. And 3 minus 3 leaves me with 0. 5 minus 1 is 4. So ladies and gentlemen, it appears that Charlie was left with $405. Okay, so we had this as step 1 and this as step 2. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to share with you guys an SAR. For the sake of time, I already have it pre-written, but I want to see what you notice. Charlie has a total of $406 left after buying the new bike. First, I multiplied 45, the number of hours he worked. Notice that I didn't just say 45. I actually told you what 45 stood for. He multiplied 45, the number of hours he worked, by 12, the amount. Sorry, I had to white that out because I made a mistake earlier when I was writing it, of course. Maybe you can see it better now. Of money he earned per hour. Again, like we said up here, per hour means for every hour he worked. I got a product of $540. Next, I subtracted the cost of the bike from his salary. which his salary was $540. I got the difference of $406. And I realize now that right here, as writers, we all make mistakes, and we can always make things better. But I realize right now that I should have included the cost of the bike here. I should have put $134, but I didn't. That's okay though. I'll squeeze it in there anyways. Okay, so notice math words. Product, pretty important. Total. I said multiplied. Amount. Earned. And the word difference. Those are all mathematical words. Even the word salary we can consider a math word. And subtracted for sure. Okay, I hope this helps you a little bit with SARs, because on upcoming tests you will be required to provide a short answer response for a word problem. Good luck and have fun with SARs.